Hey everyone! Welcome to another episode of MF Home TV with me, Phoebe. To our dear homeowners with small spaces, we know it can be quite challenging for you to be able to make your space more cozy and of course very much stylish. But you know us here in Mandaue Foam, in every challenge, we always have a solution. That's why for this particular video, we will be tackling on how to choose the perfect sofa for your small living room. Are you guys ready? Let's go! We all know that a sofa is often the centerpiece of a living room. That's why choosing the right kind of sofa is very crucial because it can either make or break a space. But don't worry, if you have the right kind of sofa, definitely it can transform any kind of space. When choosing the right kind of sofa, consider these key features: size, style, functionality, and material. Size and scale are crucial. Measure your space carefully, taking into account not just the dimensions of the room, but also the layout. Choosing a sofa that fits perfectly in your space is the first step to creating a harmonious and comfortable living area. The style of your sofa should complement the overall aesthetic of your living room. Whether you prefer a modern, minimalist look or a more classic and cozy feel, finding a sofa that matches your style is key to achieving the right ambience. In small living rooms, every piece of furniture needs to serve a purpose. Consider sofas with built-in storage or those that can be easily converted into a sleeper for guests. Multifunctional features can help you make the most out of your limited space. Last but not the least, let's talk about material. The material of your sofa not only affects its durability, but also contributes to the overall look and feel of your space. In small living rooms, lighter colored fabrics can create a sense of openness. There are actually several types of sofas that work exceptionally well in smaller living rooms. The classic sofas. Timeless in design, these sofas often feature clean lines and simple shapes. They're a versatile option fitting well into various design aesthetics. In a small living room, a classic sofa can provide a timeless and elegant look without overwhelming the space. Next, we have the modern sofa. With sleek lines and minimalist designs, modern sofas are excellent choices for small living rooms. They often come in compact sizes and can contribute to a contemporary and uncluttered feel in your space. Loveseats are another fantastic option for small living rooms. These compact two-seater sofas are designed for intimate seating. They come in various styles, making them adaptable to different design preferences. Loveseats are perfect for creating a cozy nook in a limited space. Moving on to sectional sofas. These sofas are designed to maximize seating in a limited area. With their modular design, you can customize the layout to fit your room perfectly. Sectional sofas are excellent for making the most out of corner spaces in small living rooms. Last but not the least, let's talk about sofa beds. The ultimate in functionality, sofa beds provide seating during the day and a comfortable sleeping space for guests at night. In small living rooms, a sofa bed can be a game changer, offering versatility without sacrificing style. There you have it. So you see, homeowners, even if you have small living rooms, you can definitely transform your space and make it look more cozy and, of course, more stylish if you choose the right kind of sofa. Till the next episode, bye! Comment of the week.